Bitcoin is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So yesterday on Bitcoin, we did see that we were testing this level and created a hammer candlestick. And I mentioned the next candlestick is going to be extremely important to be retesting the 18.8. Although we did test the 18.8, and technically speaking, this was a bearish confirmation, Bitcoin managed to stay above the 18.8 level as support. And we saw this massive wick to the upside hit retesting that 19.5. Now, currently on Bitcoin, we are being rejected by the exponential moving averages, but in my opinion, Bitcoin is ready to make a move to the upside. We did have this massive move to the downside from all the way up to 23k on this BART formation that I mentioned, and again we had this consolidation move up, all the way break down, consolidation up, and then a breakdown again, and once again we are now consolidating once more. So with Bitcoin being retested on this resistance level, we will be looking for a massive move and hopefully breaking above the 19.5 and actually hitting that level as support. You can see previous price action over here. We did manage to break above, but we were rejected back down once more. And now it looks like Bitcoin is trying to retest that level at 19.5 once more. But we need confirmation before we can actually enter that trade. What we're looking for is a candlestick break above this exponential moving average, retesting that as support, and then a continuation higher. Now, from the bearish perspective, if Bitcoin can't break above that 19.5 and we do manage to break the 18.8 with confirmation, something like this, then we will be looking for a shorting opportunity, right? Technically speaking, this was a confirmation move, right? We did break that support level. We retested it and it rejected once more, but we did have also a massive move to the downside already. So a lot of over leveraged bears got greedy and again got wrecked with this massive move, right? So this doesn't mean that this pullback is confirmation of an upside scale. This can just be another pullback with this massive bearish move, continuation, consolidation, and then another drop down. We are also creating an M formation. As you guys can see right now, we have this ladder 1, 2, 3. Technically speaking, we should be hitting the 19.5, but if we can't break above, then the M confirmation will be around the 18.2 level. Now again, if the 18.2 level is broken, you guys already know my next levels are around the 17.9 to the 17.6 for that double bottom formation we've been seeing on Bitcoin overall, right? We had this massive move over here on these three candlestick wicks. This was confirmation of a good area of support. Now if Bitcoin does retest that level once more, we will be looking for around the 17.6 level. Again, if 17.6 is broken, we will be capitulating down a lot further, in my opinion, and that is the last resort for bulls. Currently, this 18.8 level is extremely strong, and we are seeing a lot of support here. But again, the more times the level is tested, the less likely it is to hold, right? Now, on the lower time frames for Bitcoin, we have a pretty good picture of what's happening, right? We can see that we did have a break above on the hourly, retesting the highs, but we were rejected by multiple wicks to the downside, and this was a clear confirmation move that we are still in a bearish territory. We did have this move to the downside, retested the support level multiple times, and again, we pushed above with this bearish candlestick wick falling down, and this is confirmation again that bears are still once in control. Now there are two possible situations that can happen on the lower time frames. Number one is we actually break this exponential moving average and we fall below the 18.8. Number two is we actually hold this level at the exponential moving average and actually consolidate before we see that move to the upside again. I have seen these exponential moving averages act as great support, but again, once you get that clear confirmation, and by confirmation I don't mean a wick to the downside, I mean a candle close, something like this. As you guys can see, we have a candle close below the exponential moving averages. That usually indicates that the bears are still in control and we are still pretty much going to break downwards, right? So once we get that clear confirmation of a break towards the downside, then we can enter a short position. But as of right now, it's still a 50-50 consolidation. You don't want to be entering any sort of positions. But overall, looks like Bitcoin is ready to make a move to the upside and possibly test the 19.5, as we have two pattern candlesticks that have to play out, the M formation and obviously this formation of consolidation. So that's pretty good for the bulls right now. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.